Yo, what up? The Cosmic. And I just wanted to show y'all something a little interesting that I found today. It's over Remark Holdings. Mark, of course, there's so much hype around Mark. We need a PR, we need a PR. Drop a PR, but stock spikes and then it fades back off. It's just wait, there's a lot of hype. People are tired of holding it. I'm still holding it. I'm about 600 shares deep, still writing it into earnings. But I've been hearing a little bit of murmurings around the Twitter sphere, stock Twitch, just out there in the air about this other company called Telpo. So, what I want you to look at first is this. And now, let's hop over to Telpo's website. Exactly, almost exact same product, almost the exact same system. So there's rumors of a merger coming up. I don't know. Those are rumors. Until they put out something asking the shareholders to vote, then they're not allowed to have an acquisition slash merger. But this is just something interesting I found. I just wanted to let y'all know. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe. Share it with your friends. This is just speculative. I'm not telling you how to trade or what to trade with or what stocks to trade. But this is just something that I found. And it's just a little bit curious. I want to do a little bit more research into this, but I wanted to make a quick video update. Anyways, fam, thank y'all so much for watching. Peace.